What is the value of angle D degree? Given that J, L is the diameter of the circle. From right triangle J, M, L. Angle MJ, L equals 90 degrees minus 22 degrees equals to 68 degrees. It follows that angle MJ, L equals angle LK, M equals 68 degrees. As shown on the screen. The sum of 104 degrees and angle LN, K equals to 180 degrees. It is because the sum of angles in a straight line equals 180 degrees. Hence, angle LN, K equals 76 degrees. Consider triangle LKN. The sum of angle L, N, K and angle L, K, M and angle D degree equals to 180 degrees. Substitute values and we have that the sum of 68 degrees, 76 degrees and D degree equals 180 degrees. Make D degree the subject of the formula. Therefore, D degree equals 180 degrees minus 144 degrees, which equals to 36 degrees. The correct option is E.